Hello, I am Anjana and you are watching Public Times 24/7. Let's turn to today's big news.
BJP Shiv Sena alliance broke over 4 seats. CM Fadnavis narrated the story of 2014. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that the relationship between BJP and undivided Shiv Sena broke for the first time in 2014 when Shiv Sena insisted on contesting on 151 seats instead of the proposed 147 seats. He said that BJP had then planned to contest on 127 seats. It was ready to give 147 seats to Shiv Sena. Mumbai Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that the relationship between BJP and undivided Shiv Sena broke for the first time in 2014 when Shiv Sena insisted on contesting on 151 seats instead of the proposed 147 seats. Mathur was in charge of BJP's Maharashtra unit in 2014. He said that BJP had then planned to contest on 127 seats. It was ready to give 147 seats to Shiv Sena. He said this during a program organized on Monday night in honor of Sikkim Governor Om Prakash Mathur. Mathur was in charge of BJP's Maharashtra unit in 2014. The Chief Minister said that the final proposal to contest 147 seats was given to Shiv Sena. He had decided to contest 127 seats, whereas we believed that we would win more than 200 seats. There was a plan that Shiv Sena would have the post of Chief Minister, while BJP would have the post of Deputy Chief Minister. Without naming anyone, Fadnavis said that we were told that the Yuvraj has announced it to contest 151 seats and he is not ready to back down from that number. He said that it seems that at that time Destiny had planned to make him the Chief Minister of the state. He also recalled the conversation with senior BJP leader Amit Shah. He said that we spoke to Amit Shah and told him that we should not be treated like this. He spoke to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Me, Shah and Mathur were confident that we could give a third fight in the 2014 Assembly elections. The two parties fought the 2014 State Assembly elections separately, but after the election, Shiv Sena joined hands with the BJP. At that time, a government was formed under the leadership of Fadnavis. The BJP and Shiv Sena, then undivided, parted ways again after the 2019 Assembly election over the issue of sharing the Chief Minister's post. Several MLAs led by Eknath Shinde broke away from Uddhav Thackeray in 2022. After this, the Shiv Sena split, reaching to Fadnavis comments. Shiv Sena UVT leader and MP Sanjay Raut on Tuesday said that a lot of talk had taken place. He claimed that senior BJP leaders had already planned to break tie with the Shiv Sena. Raut said that discussion went on for 72 hours on every seat. At the time, Om Mathur was in charge of the BJP's Maharashtra unit. I will honestly admit that Fadnavis was in favor of maintaining the alliance with Shiv Sena. He wanted the alliance, but he broke because senior BJP leaders wanted it.
That's all for now. We will meet again with another big news. Till then, namaskar and keep watching Public Times 24/7.